This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix auto rotate on your Android phone. So if you swipe down from the top right, you might have a button somewhere on here called auto rotate. We can just tap this on or off and it will enable auto rotate. Now on my Samsung phone you can see it will say portrait mode or auto rotate. We can just hold down on this and we can go to these additional settings where we have the option to rotate for the home screen or for the lock screen, etc. So I can just enable it right here, and then it should rotate on the home screen. Now if it doesn't do exactly what you want to do, there's additional settings that we can go to. So you might have to enable it right here, and then you want to go to the home screen options. So you can just hold down on the home screen somewhere, go to settings, scroll on down under here, and there's an option, it says rotate to landscape mode. Right here, just enable it. And if you don't have this enabled, it's not going to rotate to the landscape mode on your home screen. So you can see I have it enabled and it's rotating right there. So just look at those two different locations to see if you can get it to rotate. Otherwise, just restart your phone. There could be some sort of like quick little bug that's happening in your phone. Just restarting it can get a clean slate. So look at those two different options under your home screen settings as well as through this button on the top to enable the different auto rotate options. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.